Grant is back now with his full next weather forecast. We have some severe thunderstorms to watch out for. We went from beautiful 90-degree days to thunderstorms.
And some people still dealing with that beautiful weather. It really is an isolated storm that's just very closely grazing the area. So we got to talk about it. Let me show you where these storms are. They're well west of the immediate Philly area, certainly west of South Jersey. But tracking this little cell moving through western Berks County, it's actually beginning to weaken, but the National Weather Service did issue a severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45. It will continue to track to the south and west at around 25 miles or so. But let me tell you, here's what's inside of this storm. Pretty gusty winds. In fact, there's already been some observed wind gusts of around 60 miles per hour. That's strong enough to cause some damage. Also, the possibility of half-inch hail or maybe even a little bit larger than that. So think about that. That's big hail. That could hurt you. Stay inside. Severe thunderstorm warning means get inside, get away from the storm, and then it will continue to move to the south and west. It's just going to be on the west side of Reading, and then it will continue to move down towards Manheim, Lancaster, Mardick, maybe getting clipped by this, but overall I do think that it will begin to weaken over the next hour or so. This is all associated with a cold front that actually has already moved through much of South Jersey. It's a little bit slower to move through the Lehigh Valley into southeastern PA. Warmer there on the south side of that front, but on the east and the north side of the front, temperatures have been in the 60s and 70s for most of the day. And that's actually where we're going to start off our evening. Temperatures generally in the 60s. In fact, cooler down the shore, 59 in Wildwood, but 66 in Philly, 64 in Dover. Westchester right now checking in at 68 degrees. So here's where we are. I mentioned on the west and south side of that cold front, Lancaster, you're at 78 degrees. The front is moving through Reading as we speak with that cell, that severe thunderstorm. To the north, Allentown's at 68 degrees, 66 in Philly. Wildwood, Atlantic City, it's a cool afternoon along the shore. Temperatures right now are in the upper 50s. So this cold front continues to push to the south as we head through the evening. We'll keep some clouds around at first, but I think the general trend this evening and tonight is going to be clearing skies. And with that, temperatures dropping down into the mid and lower 50s tomorrow morning. It's a nice start to your Sunday, a lot of sunshine. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we'll draw on a few more of those fair weather cumulus clouds tomorrow. I know the futurecast, that forecast model is suggesting maybe a green spot on the radar. I don't think we have to worry about rain tomorrow. I think overall it's a nice Sunday. Looks really nice. And then next week, a couple of small chances of rain, but nothing to worry about at this point. Tonight, again, just some storms and maybe some showers, mainly out toward the west, away from the city, away from South Jersey. We'll see gradually clearing skies overall, though, as temperatures drop back down to around 53. We're back up to 75 degrees tomorrow. A lot of sunshine, a really nice Sunday for us. But again, it's going to be temperatures in the middle, upper 70s, a little cooler, but still warmer than today there along the shore. Quick look at the 7-day forecast here. I mentioned a small chance of rain into next week. We're right now eyeing maybe Tuesday, likely into Wednesday as well. A chance for a couple of showers, and then we're back into the mid-80s as we head toward next weekend. Guys, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Grant.